So why didn't the sesame seed leave the casino? Because it was on a roll. Please tell me you got that one.
Perfect.
So the Resin Yeezy slide did get a restock pretty recently, and I've gotta say, they may have just changed my mind. So the Yeezy slide, even though I've always said they're overhyped and overpriced, I kind of feel like I'm getting it now. And yes, I might have fallen to the hype train finally, but I can't seem to take them off. I did review recently the flax colorway and it weren't really my cup of tea. But this resin colorway, I've got to say, resonates with me a lot more. Resin, resonate. But in all seriousness, the Yeezy slides are pretty much known for their earthy tones, and of course their comfort. But the looks might not be everyone's cup of tea, but the comfort, you can't deny that. Now to my knowledge, I believe this colorway did drop about a year or so ago, and we finally got these restocking in 2022. And there is a ton of different restocks on numerous models with the Yeezy brand. And with all the drama with Yeezy and Adidas, it might not be a better time to be able to cop. In terms of the box it comes with, it is pretty standard here. If you're used to getting Yeezy slides or even any sort of Yeezy, it does come in this pull-out style box, with slide right on top. We do have the Yeezy branding on both ends of it though, but on the product sticker itself, it does say Yeezy slide, and then of course the colorway is resin, resin, resin. But that's pretty much it with the box. It only comes with that product tag and that's pretty much it. And when it comes to sizing, I have finally found the right size for me when it comes to these. Now I've seen tons and tons of videos of different colorways coming up different in terms of sizing, but this one I went for a UK 11, but I'm actually a UK 9. I did go for a UK 10 in the flax colorway, but the UK 11 just fits that much better. As you can see from the video, there's half an inch difference. So when it comes to the resin, my advice, I'd say go 2 sizes up. But of course, that's just my experience, you might have a different story. Comment down below broskies and let me know how these fit you. So even though this is a restock and you've probably seen this colorway by now, it is pretty much the same. This colorway though has always been top tier in terms of the colorways that have been released. These did actually restock with the bone color and I struck out on those, but I weren't too mad. Hitting on the confirmed app with these, I wasn't complaining. But in terms of what this slide is made of course it's all pretty much foam. Now yes, the colorway is called resin, but it's pretty much a muted green. If you're new to the Yeezy slide, there isn't much branding here when it comes to Adidas or Yeezy. All it has is the 3 stripes towards the back where your heel would sit. And the only other branding here is on the inside of that sort of bridge where your foot rests. And it does say Yeezy made in China US 11. And then on the opposite side, we have the QR code with the sizing information. And the only other 2 things to mention really is the indented part to the heel counter, if you want to call it that. And then of course, this signature outsole. One of the things that the Yeezy slide prides itself on is how simple and comfortable it is. Right broskies, for £60 retail price, is this slide really worth that money? But most importantly, is this slide a buy or a buy? Now when it comes to these, I feel like you're either one side of the fence or the other. There's no in between. You either really love them and try and get every single colorway to drop, or just like there was roadworks, you steer clear. And you know what? Compared to the flax especially, I really do like these. The comfort has always been there. I've never had a problem with the comfort. They're probably top tier when it comes to slides. But it's just for what it is, £60 for a pair of slides especially, and for how it looks, it's nothing too exciting. But that's what the Yeezy slide is all about. It's simple and comfortable. And yes, in my opinion, they may be overhyped and maybe overpriced. But honestly, since I've been wearing them for the past 2 days, I can't seem to take them off. Even when I'm sitting down to like edit or play PlayStation, I've still got them on. Normally, the moment I sit down, I kick my slides off. But with these, I just want to keep them on. I am finally getting it in terms of the comfort and the styling, but I wouldn't really wear these out. I know some people do, but that's just not me. But other than the comfort and of course the style of the slide itself, I think the colorway just makes this so much better. And I might have wanted the bone a little bit more, but I'm kind of happy I got these anyway. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to put the price and hype aside. I am indeed going to give these an absolute buy. So keeping these Yeezy slides in my collection, I want to know what you think, broskies. Is the Yeezy slide all hype, or do you have any in your collection? Leave it all down below and I will pin the best comments. Anyways broskies, thank you for watching, thank you for sliding by. Okay, I'll stop, I promise. Don't forget though to hit me up on IG as well, because I'm most active over there. And whilst you're here, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And until the next episode, take care.